So George, we're standing here in front of the VGASS, and the question everybody wants to know is, how did you come up with the idea for the VGASS?
Well, I'll tell you. About 15 years ago, I started charcoal grilling. And over the last 15 years, I've developed, the desire to cook some different things and expand my repertoire, if you will. So to do that, I bought a bunch of different accessories. Over the last 15 years, I probably bought 12, 13, 14 different accessories.
Okay.
What I needed was a place to organize and manage these things.
So you just went and bought something, right?
I did.
Okay, and that worked out perfectly.
Not so much.
Okay, what happened?
I went and bought an outdoor serving cart, like most people do. And I stacked everything up on it like most people do.
Right.
And inevitably, whenever I went to cook something, what I needed, guess where it was?
Always on the bottom.
It's on the bottom. So I had to rifle through everything to get what I needed. And in the process of doing that, I've broken some accessories over the way, some heat deflectors, and broken a pizza stone. I decided I needed a better solution.
Okay.
So what I did was look for something specifically designed for grill accessories. Look for 2 years.
And you found something.
I did not.
You looked for 2 years.
I looked for 2 years.
And you couldn't find something specifically designed for accessories.
Not a thing.
Okay.
Right? So I decided, if I can't find it, I'm gonna make it. And if I was gonna make it, it had to have 3 things.
All right, what you got?
Right? Had to have high quality.
Yep.
It had to be wildly configurable for all the different kinds of accessories that people can get.
Okay.
Right? And it had to look fabulous. If it's gonna go on a patio or an outdoor kitchen, it's just gotta look great. So those are my 3 requirements.
Okay. Think you got it?
I don't know, do you think I got it?
I gotta tell you, I think you knocked it out of the park.
I appreciate that.
All right, so George, we agree. You hit it out of the park. Give me the pitch. Tell me a little bit more about VGASS.
Well, the first and obvious thing is it looks fantastic.
Absolutely.
Right? Looks fantastic. The use of the stainless steel, the polywood, it's design neutral. The 2 colors that we've selected, the Brazilian walnut and the coastal gray, will go with pretty much any kitchen. It's completely design neutral. The stainless steel is 304, 16 gauge.
So good high quality
stainless. Good high quality stainless steel. And the entire box is stainless other than the polywood.
Well, for me, when you talk about quality, the other thing, one of the first things I noticed when I went to pick this thing up is these handles, other than looking great, I mean, these are sturdy handles.
Yes.
Right? So again, high quality.
Yes.
Fantastic.
Yep.
So what was that 3rd component you talked about?
So the 3 components were high quality, which we have.
Got it.
Amazing looking, which we have. Another cool feature of this thing is I decided to do all-terrain wheels.
Okay.
In case you wanted to roll it into the grass. They weren't the typical thin rubber wheels. I wanted to do something really robust. It's a heavy unit.
Well, one of the things about wheels that I think about when you talk about this unit is that it's not a permanent set unit, right? This is not built in, this is mobile. The other thing I like is I can use this, right, multi-purpose. This can be a prep station, it can also be a serving table. And since it's got wheels, I can roll from the grill right over to the table and entertain.
Absolutely.
All right.
Absolutely.
Now, tell me a little bit more about this, the wildly configurable.
So the wildly configurable part is, when I mentioned I had all these accessories, everything in here you can configure to whatever accessories you have. So whatever grill you have, as long as the accessory is 24 inches or less, you can configure these grates to accommodate anything. I also designed these double grates to where you can put your half moon accessories in here. A lot of Kamado style grills have half moon accessories.
Right.
They fit perfectly in there.
Well, the thing I like about that is not only will it fit what I have today, but as you said, a few grilling men have been known to buy products over time and wind up with a lot of accessories. So as my needs change over time, so can the configuration.
Correct.
All right, George, here's the question, right? I don't think I can fill this thing up.
Right.
I may not have enough to fill it up. Is this still a good product for me?
It can be, right? So you can use half the VGASS to put your accessories. You can also store your charcoal and your wood. A lot of people are looking for solutions to keep their wood and charcoal dry.
I'm always thinking about where do I put my charcoal.
Yeah, and there you go. You can put it in here.
Fantastic. All right, so wildly configurable, good looking, wildly configurable, high quality. Again, I think you knocked it out of the park.
So one of the other features that I wanted to put in this thing was some way to clean it, rinse it out if you ever needed to. If you're putting charcoal in here, you might get charcoal dust. You might, if you're in Georgia, you might have pollen.
Sure, might.
So, so you might want to spray this out every once in a while. So if you, rather than try to fill it halfway up with water, shake it and tip it over, I designed a drain down there. So if you want to just rinse it out, it goes down the drain, and on the back side of the unit, I put a hose bib.
I noticed the hose bib, so I can attach a hose, right, and let the water run off wherever I want it to.
Correct.
Now, you did something I think you didn't even pay attention to. As you were opening and closing this, one of the things I noticed was that this is, right, an easy open, soft close.
Very easy to open.
Tell me about this, because these are what make that happen, right?
Right, so we designed it with 2 gas struts, and the gas struts make it very easy to open and close.
Yep.
Very easy. You can do it with a finger.
That's excellent. So if I've got little ones helping me grill,
Right.
I got no little crushed fingers.
Correct.
Yeah. You're talking about accessories. I also noticed that on the inside, right? Does this come with this accessory for hanging hooks?
It does. It comes with a hook rack enough for five grilling tools.
Okay.
And I also built it where you can put a future hook rack in on the other side. If you have more than 5 grilling tools, you can put the other rack right here, and now you have room for 10.
Fantastic.
Again, wildly configurable.
Wildly configurable. I like it. All right, so George, I love the phrase wildly configurable.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit more specifically, how do we accomplish that?
Well, so one of the cool things about when you buy VGASS
Right.
is it's coming with 7 grates.
Okay.
And those 7 grates are gonna let you store up to 14 different accessories, right? Now, as you buy more stuff, you can buy more grates, right?
So I can move the grates around.
And you can move the grates around. You
All
can
right.
move the grates, make your cavities bigger, smaller. You can stack them if you want to, if you need more bulk space.
So I've got a single grate like this.
Correct.
But then I also notice we've got a double grate,
You have a double grate.
all right? And it looks like it's divided. So as it sits this way, it can accommodate different things like the half moon accessories?
Correct.
Fantastic. And these fit in any of the slots?
Any of the slots.
In any position?
Any position, correct.
I would agree. I would say that that is wildly configurable. Wait a minute, so this comes with a cover too?
It comes with a cover.
Okay. Wow. Wait a minute, this thing, man, this is heavy duty. Tell me a little bit more about this.
So yeah, the cover's included.
Okay.
And remember the two of the three things I talked about was high quality
Yep.
and very attractive.
Wow.
This cover is 1,650 denier with a PVC backing to make
Wow.
it waterproof.
Yeah, I mean, this is noticeably heavy duty and thick.
Heavy duty and thick. And typically for grills and other kind of outdoor patio covers, they're thinner, they fade, they
Yeah.
rip. I wanted something high quality to go with the VGASS.
Wait a minute, does this come with the VGASS?
Comes with the VGASS.
No charge?
No charge.
Wow. That's an incredible value right there.
This cover, if sold separately, would probably run around $300.
Oh, absolutely. And like I said, I've seen a lot of expensive products. If you get a cover, it's usually cheap, falls apart in 6 months, and then you have to buy another one.
Yeah.
This thing is going to last
It's going to last a long time. It's going to last a
Fantastic.
long time. And it's got a great looking logo on it too.
Why, it does if you do say so yourself. So bottom line is the VGASS gets the best cover in the business, and the consumers get the best guarantee in the business. Try it for 60 days. If you don't love it, we'll buy it back. If you've got questions, learn all you want to know about VGASS at VGASS.com. That's VGASS.com.